Yep.
Should I clean up in here? Should I clean up in here?
Yeah, come on in.
We need to be more careful. We need to be more careful. Your wife suspects something. Your wife suspects something.
We'll be as careful as always, so. We'll be as careful as always, so.
Yeah, but I don't understand. Yeah, but I don't understand whose bra she had. Whose bra she had.
Hook it. Hook it. Yeah, come on in.
Good thing you're alone. Good thing you're alone. Your wife is looking for the mistresses. Your wife is looking for the mistresses. She has my bra. She has my bra.
What's that supposed to mean? What's that supposed to mean?
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I'm a regular in this bedroom, okay? I'm a regular in this bedroom, okay? I'm a regular in this bedroom, okay?
Girls, girls.
You have two mistresses? Have two mistresses?
Or maybe three. Or maybe three.
Just shut up, okay? Just shut up, okay? Chill. Come on. Besides, if I get booted out of the house, besides, if I get booted out of the house, besides, if I get booted out of the house, you two are going next. You two are going next. And by the way, it'll be enough of me for both of you. It'll be enough of me for both of you.
Your wife is determined to expose us. Your wife is determined to expose us. Your wife is determined to expose us.
Unless we make it impossible to trade back to us. Unless we make it impossible to trade back to us. Unless we make it impossible to trade back to us. So, you, I'm gonna need your panties. I'm gonna need your panties. Trust me. Trust me.
So, no one is going to confess. No one is going to confess to being my husband's mistress. To being my husband's mistress. Well, you can get dressed then. Turn around. If you think you can uncover the truth, you can uncover the truth, you're sorely mistaken. You're sorely mistaken.
Hey, sweetie. What's going on here? What's going on here?
Nothing, dear. Nothing, dear. Just giving the girls their instructions for today. Just giving the girls their instructions for today. Just giving the girls their instructions for today.
Oh, you're.
They are doing such a great job. They are doing such a great job. Aren't they, dear?
Yeah, I suppose they are.
Who do you like the most? Who do you like the most?
Well, they're all wonderful, aren't they? They're all wonderful, aren't they?
Hard to disagree with you. Hard to disagree with you.